In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your chat settings in Base44. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently customize your chat experience and know exactly where everything is located. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged into your Base44 account in your browser. First, take a look at the lower left corner of your Base44 dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile area, usually represented by your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your main entry point for anything related to your personal account, including preferences and settings. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser window or closing any side panels that might be covering the bottom of the screen. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's a good habit to remember this route, because most personal configurations in Base44 start from this Account Settings area. After the Account Settings page loads, you'll notice several sections or tabs organized by category. These might include things like profile details, notifications, security, and more. For this video, we're focusing specifically on your chat experience, so you'll want to find the section called Chat Settings. Click on Chat Settings to open it. This is where you can adjust how chat behaves for your account. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you may see options related to message notifications, sound alerts, appearance of chat windows, and other preferences that affect how you interact with teammates in real time. Take a moment to review each option available. As you go through them, think about how you work best. For example, if you're easily distracted, you might choose to limit sound notifications. If chat is central to your workflow, you might keep everything turned on so you never miss a message. Make any adjustments you need, and be sure to save or apply your changes if there's a button for that at the bottom or top of the page. That's all there is to it. By knowing how to get to your chat settings through your profile icon and account settings, you can quickly tweak your setup anytime your preferences change or your role evolves.